This is my son, Ed. He's 9 years old. He loves these digging things. So we got him this one from Discovery. We're going to open it up, see what's in there, and let him dig. Starts with it says brain blast, and then it has a bingo. It has some little experiments you can do. This is building for birds, building something for birds. And then on the back, it talks about how to create this thing. Now, Ed knows that if you do the excavation with water, it becomes easier. But what does Ed say?
That makes it boring.
Inside the kit is your actual fossil. And then we've got
a paintbrush. It's a small digger.
We've got a magnifying glass.
Think there might be something up there. See that white spot right there? Zoom in. Okay.
Move the magnifying glass because it's
there's just tiny bit of white.
Yep.
That's a fossil. That's what the finished rocks looks like.
All right. What else is in there?
Actually might be a real fossil.
That is really, really cool. That looks like a legit fossil right there. Oh no! It broke. His digger broke.
See that little hole? So I was trying to creak, and it just snapped off.
You were using it to lift up the fossil?
Yes.
It didn't work out for you, did it?
I'm gonna try again.
Okay. Oh yeah. All right, give it to Asa.
Just got it. I got another, whatever you want to call it. I think I got it. Yep, got it.